Hello everyone, and this is Edmund Mindaros channel and here with another quick tutorial. At sa video ito ay tuturo ko on how to disable pop-ups blocker in Google Chrome web browser. A quick info about pop-up blocker is that any program that prohibits a pop-up at some point in time. This may consist of multiple internet windows or actual pop-ups caused by coding on a web page, and to avoid pop-up ads from web page. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. So ang next step ay kailangan lang natin pumunta dito sa ating web browser. So click lang natin yan. And then dito lang sa upper right side, click mo ng tatlong dot. And then kailangan mo lang select yung settings. And then dito sa settings, kailangan mo lang i-select yung privacy and security. So click lang natin yan. And then dito sa privacy and security, so scroll down. And then select mo lang yung site settings. Dito sa site settings, scroll down. And then dito lang sa content, mga kaibigan. And then kailangan mo lang select yung pop-ups and redirect. Alright, so click lang natin yan. And then dito sa pop-ups redirects ay makikita nyo dito na by default, pop-ups are blocked on the Google Chrome. Ito siya mga kaibigan. So naka-turn on siya. Alright, so pwede mo naman itong enable. So i-click mo lang itong sites cancels pop-ups and use redirects. So click mo lang yan. Ganyan po lang siya mga kaibigan. And then, pwede mo naman itong don't allow sites. Click mo lang ito. Alright, so in the other option naman, pwede kang mag-manually add ng website to allow pop-ups for those particular websites. So dito lang sa customize behaviors, click mo lang itong add. And then, kailangan mo lang ditong ilagay yung kanyang URL. So halimbawa, wikipedia.com. Yan po siya. So ilalagay mo lang dito yung URL link and then click mo lang yung add. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple mga kaibigan kung paano natin i-disable yung pop-ups blocker in Google Chrome web browser. Alright, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials and tips. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment down below. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.